Hi guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick tip on how to get more fluent at playing the palm keys on the saxophone. Quite often, in fact most of the time, when people play the palm keys, they go to play a D, and to get the key down they go D with the fingers. Okay, and as you can see from my hand positions there, I'm miles away from the keys. So when you go back to play any other notes, that creates a problem in that you've got that huge delay. So what you need to do essentially is keep your fingers touching these keys at the front. How do you do that? Well, quite simply, what I'd like to practice is put your fingers touching these keys, so don't push them down, just have them touching, and then I'd like you to drop your wrist and push the palm keys with the insides of your hands. That's why they're called palm keys. Okay, the only one that your finger has to move a bit for is this bottom one. All the others you should be able to play just by dropping your wrist. So an exercise you can practice without even playing is having your fingers touching the keys and just dropping your wrist and getting used to pushing those keys down.